Hi, this is James. So, are you a person who is looking to make money online in 2021 and beyond? Or maybe you're a person who is looking to start affiliate marketing. I've got good news for you because on 6th of November 2021 at 9 a.m. Eastern, a new training program is going to be launched. It's called Viral List Autopilot. So, from the name, you kind of know that this is all kind of an easier method for you to learn and discover how to make money online or get involved in affiliate marketing. Now, I got a quick demo coming up. Well, it's not really a demo, it's a look at what this training program contains, what Viral List Autopilot contains, and a review of the program as well. Click the link below to discover the bonuses that you shall receive when you pick up Viral List Autopilot through my link. Subscribe, click the bell icon, and select all notifications so that all future videos like these that are going to give you tips, tricks, and techniques on how to build your online business, you will receive them. So now let's have a look at what Viral List Autopilot is all about.
So finally, you're going to discover how to build a highly profitable list by using this untapped viral strategy starting today. Now, this video course will take you behind the scenes to help you understand how to build a high converting list by leveraging other people's lists. Now, here's a quick video's overview of what you're going to learn inside this video course. Video number 1 is the introduction and quick overview. Video number 2 is different types of customer lists. Now, we're really only going to focus on one, and that we'll be talking about in video number 3, the highest converting list and how it all works. Video number 4, we're going to talk about formula for high value thank you offers. Video number 5, we're going to talk about finding vendors to piggyback on so that you're able to find people that can essentially build your list. But as we always say, it is a two-way street. So half of the video course is going to really be focusing on how to make vendors say yes. And that's why we'll be focusing on video number 6, which is vendor and buyer analysis, so we can understand the vendor and the buyer itself. And then video number 7, we'll talk about creating high quality thank you offers. And video 8 and 9, we'll focus on strategies to help you build your list via the vendors and via as affiliates.
All right, guys, so let's have a look at more benefits of Viral List Autopilot. So one of the first things that you will realize is that this program or training course will help you create or generate leads in any niche. And this uses a viral untapped strategy. What is that strategy? Well, you got to sign up to discover what it is. And the price, guys, is a sweet $11 during this launch period. And the bonuses that come with Viral List Autopilot are two. Bonus number 1 is niche research, and bonus number 2 is split testing profits. And you don't require any technical skills because it is being taught in the course. Let's have a look at the refund policy. It is 100% risk-free, but you got to refund within 7 days. So the moment you get it, please put it to use and go through all the modules. And you have 7 days, so you could easily go through all these modules within 7 days and decide if this is for you. And if it works, go through and test it out and see if it works. Otherwise, just request for a refund. So let's have a look at the OTOs that come with Viral List Autopilot. OTO 1 is high ticket sales system, where you will learn how to sell high ticket items. That's going for $27. OTO 2 is success principles, which is going for $67. That's it. There are only 2 OTOs. So there you go. I hope that quick walkthrough of Viral List Autopilot has given you some ideas and insights into how you could use this program to build your business in the field of making money online or affiliate marketing. And even if you are an advanced or an experienced affiliate marketer, you may be able to pick up some tricks and tips from this program as well. Once again, check out the link below to discover the bonuses you shall receive when you pick up this program, Viral List Autopilot, through my link. Subscribe, click the bell icon, and select all notifications. And I wish you success with Viral List Autopilot.